every time I come up the road, my heart beats faster. And every time I look around and I see things perfectly placed, they don't happen by accident. It's only like this because this is done out of love, out of a commitment.
What you will see tonight covers many important fields of the creative arts and the creative industries in Singapore.
All these, we have four individual artists and one collective. They come together as one team. It's a celebration of their individual imagination and sensitivity and their proficiency in physical execution. It's like a visual chorus, if you like, layered with 5 different tunes.
If you support what is being done here, and you tell your friends, and artists who are in residence here feel that they are not lonely up here, in the heart of Singapore. It is part of us. It is our retreat, a little shrine on the hill. I'm not here as a guest of honor. I'm here as an advocate for Temenggong artists in residence. Thank you.